My fourth trip to Sofia, Bulgaria, felt like a long journey. After changing planes and a long layover in Munich, Germany, we finally arrived. The very next day, we met up with friends and started exploring the city. At the Mall of Sofia, I had a blast playing arcade games. We passed by Lion's Bridge, with its 4 majestic lion statues, and stopped at the National Palace of Culture, a massive event center where concerts, exhibitions, and festivals happen. We treated ourselves to cotton candy and ice cream at the Hans and Gretel Candy House. The streets were quiet, probably because of the heat. At night, we could hear soccer games from the nearby stadium. We visited the National Theater, and I had fun playing in the nearby park. After that, we followed the yellow brick road to explore more of the city. We saw the old palace, which is now the National Art Gallery, the beautiful Russian Church of St. Nikolai, the impressive monument of the Tzar Liberator, the National Assembly Building, and the University of Sofia. I wanted to see the guard change ceremony, but we missed it that day. I also saw the St. George Church and had fun riding the metro. I met up with a friend who tried to teach me how to skateboard, which was super fun. I enjoyed some yummy ice cream too. We visited the massive Alexander Nevski Cathedral, one of the largest Orthodox cathedrals in the world, with its golden domes shining brightly. Right next to it is the monument of the unknown soldier. That day, I was lucky to catch the changing of the guards. Dressed in red and white uniforms, they marched in perfect formation, a special ceremony that honors Bulgaria's history and traditions. Until we meet again, Sofia.